How to share your calendar, new Outlook for Windows.
Here's how to share your calendar in the new Outlook for Windows.
For Windows,
Select the calendar
icon on the left.
Select
Share Calendar from the ribbon. Now I'm getting this drop-down list because I have access to two calendars, mine and Megan's.
I'll just
select my calendar because that's the one I want to share.
Type the name or email of the person you'd like to share your calendar with, and select their name when it appears. Now choose how much access to allow.
Select Share.
Your calendar
is now shared.
You can edit how much access to allow or remove sharing permissions at any time.
Thank you for watching us.